Hello. Welcome back. Welcome to Calm Step English. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. You are safe here. You can learn slowly. You can speak slowly. Today, we will learn something very important. Going to the doctor. In English. Sometimes, going to the doctor feels scary, and speaking English can feel even harder. But it's okay. We will go step by step, very slowly, very gently. By the end, you will feel more ready, more calm, and more confident. Let's begin. We all need to see a doctor. Sometimes. Maybe you feel sick. Maybe you have pain. Maybe you feel tired. When this happens, you need to speak English at the clinic or hospital. For example, you may need to say, I have a headache, or I feel sick, or I need help. These are simple words, but very important. If you can say these, you can get help. You can feel better. So today, we will learn simple English for real life. Slow, clear, and easy. Now, let's learn some important words. I will explain, very simply. Doctor. A doctor helps you when you are sick. Example, I want to see a doctor. Clinic. A clinic is a place to see a doctor. Example, I am at the clinic. Appointment. An appointment means a time to see the doctor. Example, I have an appointment at 10 a.m. Sick. Sick means not feeling well. Example, I feel sick. Pain. Pain means something hurts. Example, I have pain. Headache. Pain in your head. I have a headache. Fever. Your body feels hot. I have a fever. Cough. You cough. Like this. Cough, cough. I have a cough. Medicine. Medicine helps you feel better. The doctor gives me medicine. Now, some useful sentences. I don't feel well. I feel sick. I have pain. My head hurts. My stomach hurts. I have a fever. I need a doctor. Can you help me? Very good. Take your time. You are doing well. Now, we practice together. Listen carefully. Then repeat. Slowly. I don't feel well. Listen and repeat. I feel sick. Listen and repeat. I have pain. Listen and repeat. My head hurts. Listen and repeat. My stomach hurts. Listen and repeat. I have a fever. Listen and repeat. I need a doctor. Listen and repeat. Can you help me? Listen and repeat. Very nice. Again, slowly. I feel sick. Listen and repeat. I need help. Listen and repeat. You are doing great. Now, let's see real situations. Imagine, you are at a clinic. You walk to the front desk. You can say, hello, I feel sick. Or, hello, I need to see a doctor. The staff may ask, what is the problem? You can say, I have a headache. I have a fever. My stomach hurts. If they ask, do you have an appointment? You can say, yes, I have an appointment. Or, no, I don't have an appointment. Now, you go inside. The doctor asks, how do you feel? You can say, I feel sick. I feel tired. I have pain here. Very simple, very useful. You can do this. Now, let's practice small conversations. Listen and slowly. Conversation 1. Reception. Hello. How can I help you? You. Hello. I feel sick. Reception. Do you have an appointment? You. No, I don't. Reception. Please wait. Conversation 2. Doctor. Hello. What is the problem? You. I have a headache. Doctor. Do you have a fever? You. Yes, I have a fever. Conversation 3. Doctor. Where is the pain? You. My stomach hurts. Doctor. Okay, I will help you. Very good. Now, listen again, slowly in your mind. You can understand. You are learning. Now, I will help you speak. Answer slowly. You can speak out loud or quietly. That's okay. I ask, how do you feel? You say, I feel sick. Say it now. Good. I ask, what is the problem? You say, I have a headache. Say it now. Very nice. I ask, do you have a fever? You say, yes, I have a fever. Say it now. Good job. I ask, do you need a doctor? You say, yes, I need a doctor. Say it now. Very good. Now, one more. I say, where is the pain? You say, my stomach hurts. Say it now. Excellent. You are speaking English, slowly, but clearly. Now, let's review. Very slowly. When you feel sick, you can say, I feel sick. If something hurts, I have pain. For your head, I have a headache. For your body heat, I have a fever. If you need help, I need a doctor. Can you help me? At the clinic. Hello. I need to see a doctor. With the doctor. My stomach hurts. My head hurts. Very simple. Very useful. You can use these in real life. You did very well today. Really, learning English is not easy. But you are trying, and that is very important. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need simple words and calm speaking. Even one sentence can help you, even slow English. Is good English. Take your time. Practice again and again. You can come back to this lesson anytime. You are improving step by step, slowly, calmly, beautifully. Thank you for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. Take care and stay well.